Hello, my name is Mark, welcome to my review channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Conbrov mini spy camera. The Conbrov T33 1080p mini hidden camera certainly is a mini camera. You can see there's really nothing to it. It's very nicely styled, fits in the hand, nothing on the bottom. There's not really anything to this at all really. There's just the main camera on the front. There's nothing around the left hand side, SD card slots, USB and indicator lights around the back, and a reset hole on the right hand side. Nothing on the bottom, and on the top you've got the power and motion sensor toggles. It comes with a micro USB cable for charging, instructions and various other bits of paraphernalia for you to have a look through. Well worth having a look through the instructions as it's not completely clear. A reset pin, microSD to USB card converter so you can pull the footage off, and a holder. This has a sticky pad on one side and it's magnetic and it won't stick on either side. It only sticks on the bottom of the camera, and that at least gives you a few options, although it is light enough if you want to use a bit of blue tack instead. This however has the advantage that it swivels round so you can get the camera at certain angles. Those little lights you see are to do with the night vision ability. The manufacturers claim a 1-year standby, and all you have to do is pop it in a discrete location and it can record up to 6 hours during the day and 3 hours at night. It is motion activated, so this footage was captured because it picked up our cat having a little wander around outside. So you do want to be careful about where you place this. Maybe don't place it in an outdoor setting. You can hear sound is recorded, but depending on how large the room is and where you've got the camera placed, you may find the vocals a little muffled.
I paid a little bit extra for them with a year, and then when it's come up on the antenna, it's not come up on the antenna.
Pop this in a dark room and it can use night vision. There is a slight issue though that when the light is at a certain level, the camera's not quite sure whether it should use night vision or not, and you get this strange disco effect. At least it is still capturing things on camera, so you would still get the motion activated footage. Once it is dark enough though and it locks on, it does provide a nice steady image, which when you consider this is a tiny little camera, I think is pretty good. Date and time info on this is incorrect. I didn't realise there's a file on the SD card. You edit that and when it's recording it will show you the correct information. So this is just a quick test of the camera and the sound. You've already seen some demo footage. I thought I'd just pick it up and see what would happen if you spoke to it directly. Does the voice come out nice and clear? I found on my tests you can just about hear the vocals in the room, so it's suitable for, I guess, spying if you want to. This is a little spy cam if you want to see what's going on while you're out. Pop this somewhere which is out the way, a little bit discreet, come back, grab the memory card, see what's been going on. If you feel the need to spy on someone, this is potentially an option. It's got a 110-degree lens, so you saw it's got quite a wide angle. Picture quality is okay, sound quality can be a little bit poor. I hope you found this short review useful. If you want to learn more, I'll put a link in the description below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.